Hey, welcome back to the Ernest P YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and today we're going to be looking at the UPS truck because it has died on us. So over the past few weeks, when it gets real hot after driving on the interstate, it would start to sputter and sometimes leave me stranded until it cooled down and I could start it again. Most recently, I took off to drive somewhere close because it was fine until it got real warm, and it left me stranded 3 blocks away from my house in the middle of an intersection. I had to push the truck out of the intersection myself and tow it back to the house with my wife's car. So today we're going to be relocating the fuel module, which is a common issue on these 6.5 liter diesels. It's located under the intake manifold, so it gets pretty hot down there and causes failure. We're going to relocate it with a longer wire harness and this heat shrink here. So come along, hopefully we can get this changed out and get the UPS truck back up on the road ASAP. All right, here we are with our 6.5 liter Detroit diesel, and it's having a fuel issue. Now when this truck warms up, it will have a fuel issue where it'll stop giving fuel to the engine, so it'll start to sputter. So we'll go ahead and replace the fuel pump module. All right, so first things first, we're gonna take off this air filter here in the housing. We're just gonna loosen up this. That hose clamp there. And then we'll do these wing nuts up on top here. Try and keep everything together. There is a intake air temperature sensor right here. We'll unplug. Okay, we'll get that hose clamp later, but that has all come out nice and neat. We'll just set this aside. All right, so here we are. You can see here's the fuel injector pump here. The module's on the side of that. I've just got it disconnected there. We don't even have to worry about taking off this intake manifold or anything. All we have to do is disconnect that and then hook up our new wire harness to that, and we'll run it over here off to the side to get it out of the way and away from that heat. But we'll go ahead and just grab that with some needle nose pliers, grab the tip of that new harness there, or that old harness, connect the new one, and that's all we have to do here. Don't even have to worry about taking that old one off. All right, so now we've got that connector up out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some electric parts cleaner and then put some silicone spray on there or some dielectric grease, and we'll get that hooked up and just tuck back up out of the way. All right, so here it is from the back side. And here it is from the front side. I just had to drill one hole in this aluminum bracket here. The other was already there. And I just, drilled that hole, put them in with a couple washers. Just 2 bolts, but they're nice and tight, and I don't anticipate that going anywhere. I put the fins facing forward so that the air can flow through them in case, you get drafts coming through the front grill here. If the air can make it down through there, in that position is going to be easier. So we'll go ahead and put some grease on this other side, but that's it. That's pretty much all you need to see. We'll plug it in and show you it running. All right, so here we are. It's a few days later. I've taken it on a couple of test drives and it's performed perfectly. So 100% confident that that module was the issue. We'll go ahead and fire her up. You can just tell that fuel pump priming, that fuel system priming sounds a lot better. When it's running, it sounds a lot better as well. So warm up those glow plugs and show you how it sounds. That sounds good. So one other issue to look at on the truck, but for right now, that's it. Thanks for watching. This is the Ernest P YouTube channel. Please consider liking and subscribing. As always, have a good day. Peace out.